the rescue helicopters over Galtymore. I hope everyone's alright. How you doing? Just on my way up Paradise Hill, leading up to Temple Hill on this stunning day. But I didn't realise how windy it was. It's really, really windy. But there's a lovely cold breeze in the air. Really crisp, cold air, which is lovely. So that'll keep the sweat at bay for a while anyway. I'm going scoping out some potential camping spots. This is the part that I love about camping, is doing the recon hikes to find those little hidden gems, then mark them. So yeah, brilliant, really brilliant. I love finding a place that you know you can come back to even if it's dark, and you're kind of confident of the area. So I think that's just as important as anything, is to go to an area you feel comfortable in, especially in the winter, because a lot of the time you're going to be getting up there when it's dark. So anyway, we'll keep going. Nice cup of tea at the top. All right, so our first glimpse of Temple. Okay, so at the opposite side of Temple there's a valley and there's a stream that goes through it. So yeah, that's my plan. I might head up, follow the ridge line of the woods, then up, over, down along the valley, check out the valley and the stream, and then back up the Temple and have some food up there, or I might have some food in the valley, be nice, and then back down. So let's see what happens. I've been playing around a lot with heat exchangers. As you know, I love my stoves, but I was on a camp recently with Ian. He's a channel up as well there. He's the same guy we went out kayaking with. So I went out with him recently, and what I did notice is he was using a gas stove, and I know gas stoves 100% are much quicker. Absolutely, there's no question about it. I just love the slow pace and the reliability of an alcohol stove, especially in the winter time. But I had the slow burning X-Boil, which is fine. I don't mind the slow pace. When you're buying it, you're not buying it for speed. You're buying it for how lightweight and efficient it is. But he was finished his breakfast by the time my water was even boiled. So I bought a lightweight fire maple heat exchange, a 700 milliliter pot. So, and the heat exchanges are incredible. So I have the bigger size X-Boil with me today, with this for the first time, and I'm going to try it out and see how fast it is. So it's part of my stove fetish now. But yeah, I'll show you that when we get up there. I'm telling you, I'm going to bring out a heat exchange that's separate and you can put it onto any pots. Watch this space now. The mind is working. All right, we'll keep going here before the slog up Temple. So one thing I will always say about Temple Hill, it never looks bad, ever. But it's my arch nemesis. It's way harder than it looks. Jesus, I wasn't expecting rain today. It's pelting down on the horizon. And being honest, it's coming this way. Just keep an eye on it. And that is heavy as well. I just met a chap there. Lovely guy. He said he measured the temperature on top of Temple at -7 wind chill. So, but Yeah, I love the mentality of hikers. Like, he stopped and asked me, do I have warm clothes? Do I have a good jacket? Just double checking. I love that. It's a simple question, but it's worth asking. It really, really is. I actually don't know. Is that fog or rain coming in behind me? It could be fog, you know? We'll see soon enough. See? I told you it was rain. It's the first thing I said, wasn't it? Yeah, I get geared up and just it's a shower passing, so -7 on top. I'll give that a go. We'll wait a minute and see how bad it is. I'm not going to do the full valley and all that. It's just too bad. Fun that. So we'll go up to the top of Temple, have a cup of tea, and make our way back down. Happy days. Oh, she's starting to clear up. Be nice to get all the wet gear off. It's just to have a non-rainy moment on top of Temple with a cup of tea might be nice. Haha, the sun is out. Excellent. Okay, let's get to the top just before it rains again, so we can sit and have a cuppa. Happy days. Okay. Let's see what it's like for boiling, normal time. I'd say like the heat exchanges always make a massive difference anyway, so yeah, it'll make a difference. Jeez, I could sit here all day. It's so nice up here. Yeah. I think there might be rain coming. Well, it's tea time now anyway. That did boil a lot faster, I must admit. Sweet. More powder on me than there is in the cup. Jesus. I'd love to have my tent with me now. I really would. It'd be so nice. Even if it was lashing for the day. It'd be so nice. Suspected scam caller. I never saw a number like that before. +353 97 28407. That's not an Irish number, even though it does look like it. But I was happy with the phone. The phone actually told me it was a scam. Technology 1, scammer's nail. Oh, I just spotted the rescue helicopter over Galtymore. Yeah, the rescue helicopter's over Galtymore. I hope everyone's alright. I'll text a friend of mine, Pat, from the Galty Club, and see did he hear anything. It's getting fogged out now. I'm going to put a hat on actually. It's amazing what a hat can do. It just heats your full body up straight away. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. So I bought a sleeping bag for Freya. Man, she's so cute. I can't wait to get her out camping. The one thing about whippets and lurchers, they love being, what you call it, swoggled. They love being kind of warm. So yeah, the helicopter's still over there. I don't know what's going on. I'm not mistaken, did it land? Jesus, I don't know how those helicopters stay up in this wind. It's so breezy, like. Jeez, that's nice and warm. Anyway, cheers everyone. I suppose I better say cheers when I have something in my hand, but cheers. I hope you're all having a good weekend. Oh yeah. The rescue helicopter's still going around the place. And there's a shite load of rain coming in here now. So I better suit up. It was a cup of tea and a half, that was. Let's get the book signed before I get soaked. What's the date? 14th. There's plenty up here today. That's great to see. Lots of people here. Happy days. Now, let's get this away before the rain comes. Oh. Nice bit of engineering there. Fair play, whoever built that. Next time I'm on the trail, I'm going to bring out the Jetboil stash with the gas burner. I've never actually used it, if you believe it. I only bought the Jetboil stash for the pot. The full unit, like. So, I gotta start bringing it out. Okay. Before the really bad weather gets in, I'm gonna make my way down. Okay, let's go. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make my way down fast because there's a lot of weather and wind on the way in. So, yeah, I'll put the head down, get stuck in and get down. So thanks very much for joining me to the top of Temple Hill, where I actually can't feel my hands and I have gloves in my bag, but I'm too lazy to get them. Anyway, thanks very much for joining me. Hit the subscribe button, all that jazz, and sure, look, we'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.